today we're going to be showing you how to use this wet saw. It's just the smallest version, 7-inch. We rented it from Home Depot. It didn't come with any instructions, so I thought this video might be useful if any of you might rent the same and need to figure this out as well. So first off, there is a water pump that comes with it, and you'll want to just grab a 5-gallon bucket and just submerge it in there, because although they say you can put it in this tray that it comes with, I noticed it wasn't actually deep enough to pull the water through, so it wasn't actually getting any suction until I put it in this 5-gallon bucket. Second, you want to make sure this one hose is hooked in to the pump, and then this inlet is open, and then you have the other side, so the one side goes into the pump, one goes out, and then this was all just loose and completely not pointing at the saw blade at all when we got it. So what we did was just put a zip tie around this, and then we put this pointed straight at the saw blade, and then so it's actually getting wet like it should be, but these were just loose and not doing anything. So you can also, this is plugged in straight to the drill, so it'll turn on as soon as you start drilling. You can unplug this water pump and just plug it straight into the wall just before you start with the saw. That way you just make sure it's running properly and the saw is getting wet like it should. Okay, so we've got the water pumps plugged into the saw here. So like I was saying, you want to just test it first. Unplug that, plug it in straight to the wall to an extension cord. We're going to plug this in, and the water should be flowing out from here onto the blade. Okay, so now we've got water pump plugged into the saw. We just have to press this button here, and that'll turn it on. Saw blade will turn on, and the water will start putting on. So we'll show it to you in action. Okay, we're ready to test it out. So I'm just gonna cut this bit off. This is the end piece to fit it against the wall. So line this up where I want the cut. Turn it on. And there you go. Razor sharp, clean cut.